One,
2,
3, let's go!
Hey loves, hi, welcome back to my channel, and if you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Nasheen Mobeen. I make fashion, beauty, lifestyle vlogs and fun challenges with my friends. So if anything falls under your genre, please consider subscribing. It would mean the world to me. So from the title, you have got to know that today I'll be creating this easy peasy lemon squeezy Indian makeup look, and I'm gonna give my first impressions on Sugar Cosmetics. So I've created this makeup look in a legit 15 to 20 minutes. So if you guys wanna know how I've created this look and what all things I've used, then continue watching. Alright, so my skin is all prepped and primed. Now we'll start with the actual makeup, and I have my box of Sugar Cosmetics. So I won't do a full face of Sugar Cosmetics because I don't have their eyeshadow palette and the concealer. So yeah, that's all the information. So I'll start by covering up my dark circles and the darkness around my mouth using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Orange. Now using a damp beauty blender, I'm gonna blend it all. Oh my god, this beauty blender is as soft as a marshmallow. This is a very soft and it does its job. Color correction all are done. Now I'm gonna move on to foundation, and for foundation I'm gonna use Drop the Base Serum Foundation in the shade of 50 Mocha. I am not sure about the shade. I think it is too yellow for my skin tone. Well, let's see. Okay, so the Sugar foundation is a little dark for my skin tone, so I've taken the Faces Canada's Weightless Matte Foundation, and I'm gonna balance it out. The Sugar foundation is very light, like it is what it says. So it is very light and very comfortable. The coverage is light to medium, so you can build it up. The shade was so wrong. It was very yellowish for my skin tone. So I've taken the Faces Canada's foundation to balance it out. Foundation is done. Now I'm gonna take my all-time favorite LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Bis and cover my under eyes and the usual spots. Okay, so base is done. Now I'm gonna seal the deal with the All Set to Go Translucent Powder by Sugar Cosmetics. I'm gonna use the same beauty blender and lightly bake my under eyes and the region around my mouth. As soon as I open the lid, the powder falls off the container and it is all over the mirror and the box. So that's one thing I don't like about the translucent powder. Alrighty, baking is all done. So today I am thinking of doing my face first and then the eyes. So here I have a Contour de Force a face palette in the shade Subtle Submit. Oh my god, I love the contour, highlight and blush shade. It is so perfect, but still I have to wear first and then give you the review. So you guys know that I do not contour or bronze my face. This is my first time doing it. So I'm gonna go easy, I'm gonna go light, take a little product and go. Don't see much of that difference. I don't know, I'm doing it wrong or something, but I don't see that much of difference. I mean, whatever, bronzing Done. Now moving on to blush. I'm gonna take this blusher shade, tap off the excess and go on my apple of my cheeks. It is a more kind of soft pink peachy shade, so I don't want my blush to be so bhari bhadka, so I mean it is perfect for me. Okay, so I went ahead and made these powder lines to make my cheeks lifted and more sharper. So I'll let it sit for 30 seconds or so. Until then, I'll move on to my eyes and do a real quick smoky eyes, which will go perfectly with this dress and the function. Okay, so I've zoomed you all a little bit because I have to show what's really going on my eyes. So I've prepped my eyes with some concealer. Now I'm gonna take this brown shade and put it on my crease. This eye makeup will be so effortless yet so chic. So I'm done with the brown eyeshadow in my crease. Now I'm gonna take the Sugar's Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl in the shade 05 Black Magic and put it as my liner. I'm gonna take a flat brush and smudge it out. Okay, so eyes are not done yet. Now I'm gonna use the Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara by Sugar Cosmetics in the shade 01 Black Beauty. Okay, so Uptown Mascara is a bomb.com. It actually lengthens and curls my lashes. The only problem is it dries super quickly, so I have to do and then second coat. So yeah, that's the review for mascara. Now moving on to my favorite part, and that is highlight. So I'm gonna use the same Contour de Force face palette. I'm gonna use the highlight shade from the palette. Oh my god, the highlight is on point, and I'm gonna take my beauty blender and take it in the beauty blender if there is any excess. Okay guys, so we are at the tail end of the video. The last step of this makeup look is lipstick, and we are going to use the Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade Trusty Rusty. This is how the Trusty Rusty shade looks like. I absolutely love the wand. It is tapered corners, which can reach the corners of the lips. Alright, so Trusty Rusty was a hole on your face, orangish red. So I'm gonna use my Maybelline's Soho Nude, and I'm gonna balance out the orange going on my lips. Okay, so this is how the lipstick turned out. I'm not that happy, so I'm gonna change the color into something more subtle and more brown. Okay, so a quick lipstick change, and now this is my type and my shade. If you guys wanna know what lipsticks I've used, it is a combination of 3 lipsticks. So the first lipstick is Nykaa's in the shade Like a Boss. Second one is also from Nykaa in the shade 18 Chai, and the third one is my favorite, Maybelline's 04 Soho Nude. Okay, so yeah, that's all for the lipstick. Now I'm gonna quickly set this jazz using the Swiss Beauty makeup fixer with aloe vera and vitamin E. Okay, so makeup fixer is not working, so we are gonna skip that step. And yeah, this easy peasy lemon squeezy makeup is all done. Let me quickly fix my hair and give some montage in 3, 2. Today's video. I really hope that you liked the video, and if you have did so, hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification button to get notified every time I upload a brand new video. And I'll meet you very soon in my next video. Until then, XO, bye bye. Alrighty, baking is all done. So now I am thinking to do my face first. और चल क्यों नहीं रहा यार?
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.